Welcome to another episode of me trading on the live 100k account from ForTraders. Alright guys, it is Friday night. The market just had a crazy reaction. I was outside, I actually sold over here. We went into really good profit, but I had to run back because it was starting to go the other way. But we're gonna scale up this position, and I want to also sell gold, also with 2 lots actually. Going pretty big on this, and also obviously Euro USD, our favorite. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that everything will be in profit. As you guys can see, it's already going. It could still reverse, you never know, but it looks like a strong move downwards. 1,000 in profit, everything is going right. 1.6%, 1.7%. All right, we're at 2% profit right now. So I was shorting Great British Pound, Euro USD, and a bunch of other things. And let me just put this a little bit slowly. So I was out and about. I had my shorts in and I was looking at them and I was like, okay, oh wow, I was massively in profit right there. I was hugely in profit, and then it started going the other way. I was starting to short. I was like 2k in profit, and then it started to go up and up and up, and then boom, that huge one knocked me out. I had my stop losses somewhere around there, and I was pretty much risking the whole daily drawdown on those trades. So that's what happened. It ended up reversing, but the damage was already done. So I basically lost everything that we had built up to, like 7k in profit. We lost it all, and then on the next day I messed it up even more and went into more drawdown, and that's where we're gonna continue. As you guys saw, I was really good in profit, and because I'm on vacation, I'm not that focused on trading, which is definitely a huge mistake. And I missed that there was a news event, a PMI news event. Basically lost everything, all the profits, and went into max daily drawdown for that day. Then on Monday I made 3k and boom, went into max drawdown. So now I'm almost 5k in drawdown, and I'm risking quite a lot on DAX. I have some in FTSE, and I have Australian dollar USD. Gonna try to make 5% today to get back to the starting balance. If that is not the case, I will have to go really slowly, because then we're pretty close to max drawdown. So I'm risking about 3% on all of these trades, and I'm trying to make around 5%, 4 to 5%. I think I was like almost 7% in profit, and to go back to go into 5% drawdown is pretty crazy. It's just a matter of being unfocused, being on all these trips with the boats and all this stuff. I've definitely not been focused on trading, and I've been over trading as well to create you guys content and stuff. So it's a lot of mistakes, and that is why I usually don't show you guys funded accounts. I like to trade them differently actually, but for content's sake, I wanted to kind of show you guys this account on the funded stage as well. It's gonna reverse, guys. It looks like it's gonna reverse, creating lower highs all the time. And I'll show you guys. This is basically the risk to reward. I will change it a little bit up, something like this now. The reason why this is a really good entry is you see how many times it reversed from this place. I'm really happy with that. That's gonna be my big winner for today. The reason for Australian dollar USD is look at the 4-hour time frame. It tapped the 89 EMA. It's still in a downtrend. I think it can go much lower. Almost 1% in profit now, so I'll check back with you guys later. The Australian dollar USD trade I had to close because it was moving in the other direction, and I went to see some monkeys on the monkey trail. I had my stop losses in place and everything, of course, and while I was out on the monkey trails and looking at the beautiful sights, I saw that my trades were going into profit. They first went into 1k profit, so I was like, okay. And then we went to the other side of the mountain. I swam a little bit in this beautiful area with cliffs all over the place, and it was absolutely gorgeous. And on the way back, I saw that my trades were almost 4% in profit, so I closed them, and I did a couple more trades, just really small scalps, and we got into a proper profit. And from there in the evening time, I just scalped all evening long to get back into profit, and that day was one of the best days that I've had in a long time. We made a 10k profit at the end of that day, and we were 5% in profit out of 5% being in drawdown in one day. So that was a crazy day. That was an amazing day. Next day I started off really good. I was 2% in profit. Everything was going well. I already was checking the payouts that it was tomorrow, because this was on 10th of January. and I was checking, okay, the payouts are tomorrow, so let me just go slowly a little bit. But I got carried away in the evening and I pretty much lost all of the profits again. So what a crappy roller coaster. So yesterday, guys, literally one day before the withdrawal date, massive mistake. Here's a screenshot of me being 7% in profit. You saw the withdrawal number. Literally on the last few hours I made a huge mistake. There was a huge move, and basically this is what we ended up with. So I just withdrew this. I did it through the phone, so here's how it went. I just filled in the crypto details for the USDC and I submitted the withdrawal. So let's see how fast it is. With the 11th of January, it's on a Thursday, so hopefully today or tomorrow we should be receiving the first withdrawal, and it is a lot less than I expected, but I just wanted to get some kind of withdrawal for you guys so that we see how fast the payouts are and stuff with this prop firm. So just going over everything, guys. A lot of losing days. You know, we started off pretty good. We were like 5% in profit, lost it all. I made 3% back, lost it the next day. Then made 2% back, then lost a huge 5k, then made it all back into profit, 3% in profit. That was the last video. And then I made massive losses right there, 7k, made it all back, 10k. We were 5k in profit on the account. And you know, yesterday I was actually 2k in profit, but those last trades messed it all up. And basically I just put in one trade in the evening time, so it counted as one trade. It's not even the market that's difficult, it's just that I've been not focused because, you know, I'm traveling a lot, doing boat trips every single day, visiting beautiful sites. Don't get me wrong, I'm really happy that I'm here and I'm enjoying it a lot, but trading has kind of taken the backside. And especially this account, guys, I have also multiple accounts that I'm doing, and doing that all while traveling is kind of difficult. So tomorrow is the last day here, and then I'm actually going back to my base in Thailand, and then, you know, obviously everything is going to go a lot smoother from there, for sure. So all right, guys, some really good news. The withdrawal actually went through on the same day as I requested it. It was 1 a.m. here in Asian time, kind of around 6 p.m. in Europe. So really cool stuff. I requested it in the morning and got it pretty much in the evening. So I was really impressed at how fast they actually did it. Now I did the crypto option. There's also obviously just straight bank transfer option as well. You can only do max 2,000 with the crypto option. So if you go above that, you can just do a bank transfer. The average payout time is 6 hours, and they do strive to do everything under 24 hours. So it's really cool. Some prop firms take a long time to do payouts. So I'm really happy about how quick this went. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this to see how I did on the live funded account as well. I also did the full challenge, phase 1 and phase 2. If you want to see those videos, it's in the description below. And if you want to check out ForTraders.com, there's still a discount, 15% discount off the 5k till the 100k. And you can customize these to make them a little bit cheaper for yourself and get a really nice discount as well. I'll probably do a challenge next, and I'll start off with that series on Monday. Again, thank you all so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.